Hello everyone and welcome back to Codestar Technologies. This is one of the best tech YouTube channel, and it also happens to be one of the fastest growing online learning platform here in Kenya and Africa at large. In our today's tech session, or our today's topic, we are going to create a simple e-commerce system that is using WordPress. Remember, we did one back in the days when we were starting this channel. As you can check here, we did multi-vendor e-commerce. This one we developed from scratch. I developed it from scratch. The first video was this one you can see here. So you can click this one and watch the video, get to know how e-commerce are developed. That is, if you might need to develop one from scratch. And this is a multi-vendor meaning that you can have multiple stores. Like for example, you can have different clients who you can rent them an online store, and this one is integrated with Lipa and Mpesa. We all did all that one, and you can get the source code. But in our today's session, we are going to create an e-commerce using Woocommerce plugin, which is one of the famous plugin that is used to create e-commerce. And lastly, we are going to integrate it with Lipa and Mpesa. So we are going to use an Mpesa plugin. And by the end of that, even you are going to get all the resources on a link or description where you can download and make use of it. But let's not waste a lot of time. Let's jump in and start. But before we do that, if you might be interested to learn any kind of these programming languages, so that is Python for data science and machine learning. We have got hard programming, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, like the whole thing of web development, full stack, from front end and back end. We offer those kind of courses, even packages and graphic design. All those kind of courses we normally offer on this platform. So feel free to register on the student, and once you register, you activate your account and enroll in any of the course that you might need to cover. Lastly, if you've not subscribed to this channel, this is one of the channels that if you're in this field of IT, you're going to find it one of the helpful channel to you. So consider subscribing. Click that subscribe button, click this the like button also, and share this link to as many people as you can, because that's how you normally support this channel. The channel is growing each and every day, and now we are past 1500 subscribers, which is a good step and good progress, in other words. So let's not waste a lot of time on that, and let's jump in and start. So one of the requirements that you need to have a domain name, and the domain name you can get it from Truehost. Truehost is where I normally buy domain, even for my clients and all those kind of stuff. So consider, I'll put a link on the description, an affiliate link, which you can click, and if you want to purchase, you purchase using my link, so that I can get something. That is how you normally support also this channel and support me, at least to do some kind of content like this one. So I'm going to use this domain of mine, as you can see. So you just, when you register for a domain, you make payment, you normally get the user credentials to log into your domain name. And once you log in, and now, like for example, I have this one, you can see the password, I click login, and now the login is successful. And once you log in, you can see other things like for example, there's this is the login page. Then I have got a subdomain which I'm going to use here, which is ecobank.codestar.co.k. This one I normally use for practicals and all those kind of stuff. If I want to kind of test all those kind of things, I normally use this subdomain, but the main project is normally hosted on the public HTML. That is for the something like that. Now, once you get this at this point, now you can see there is option for file manager. File manager, you'll be able to see something like this. And now if you might need to check the database, you normally click this PHP MySQL. If you need to create database, this is the area where you normally interact to create a database. But in our case, we need to create a WordPress stuff. So first of all, we need to install WordPress on our Cpanel. So you normally scroll down, then get to this WordPress icon and click that one. And once you get here, now you can see I'm going to install a new one. So I'll click installation, and I will choose the domain name here to be this Codestar. Then there is a folder which is going to be created on the here. As you can see, there is one here which I was doing, even on e-commerce. I want to create a separate one, but in real sense, you don't normally create any folder. It's supposed to be empty, this part on your case. That is, if you are creating for a client, you don't have to have a folder, but I want to just separate these projects. So in this case, I will put this one, I'll call it Biashara business. And now what else? I don't think whether there is anything else I might need, unless maybe to have an email like this one, and then I'll click install, and yeah, it is going to install. So there is something which has got some problem. Which one is that? No, sorry, as per the record, it means there is an installation which is for this one. Yeah, I installed before, so can click here on the installation and check the installation which I have, like this one I am supposed to delete. The one I have, this one I delete, and once I delete, remove. Oh, I deleted on the Cpanel, sorry for that. So in my case, I'm going to, yeah, it is now deleted. So here you cannot see a Biashara folder. So I want to now create it afresh. Let me go back to Cpanel, scroll, get to this part. Sorry for that. That's what was a minor mistake. So I'll click install, and then I will choose again this one. I'm going to call it Biashara like that. Then what else? Nothing else. Click there, then install. I don't think whether now that, yeah, it's okay, it's working now. So you install, and once you install, as you can see, it has generated this administrator URL. So I can right click and open in a new link. That is, I'm getting now to the WordPress dashboard. This now is not necessary. You can go back to Cpanel. So this is the one that I'm interested on. That is, as you can see, dashboard, my blog, and all that. So this is now the WordPress dashboard. That's where we are getting in, and now it has opened, as you can see. I don't know whether you can see well, but I think it's going to, yeah, work out for you. Now that font is enough. So what you need here, first of all, what I normally do after doing this, I normally delete any posts. Like I normally click on post, then all, then I select this one and send it to trash. And once I send it to trash, I apply, and again I click on the trash to delete that post, because by default it normally creates that one, and you delete permanently. You apply. Now I have deleted the post. I go again to the pages. I check all the pages. I think by default there is a page which is you normally get here. So I'm going to select all the pages. Then after that, I'm going to move to the trash, and then I will click on the trash, select again all of them, and delete them permanently, so that I don't need to have any kind of page or post. Lastly, do I have to? No, there is nothing else. Maybe theme. I can add a theme, but before we do that, the link that we have, it's ecobankscodestar.co.ke/biashara, and that is where we are supposed to get our project to see what is happening. So this is what we have. It's nothing, blank. So I can click here and go to setting, general setting. Maybe I can give it a business name. My blog, I can say Biashara. This tagline, I can say, welcome to Biashara online, something like that. Just a tagline. The rest is not important. I can scroll down, then save. You can change the things to do with what there is permalinks and so forth, which you normally click here and change, but I'm not interested with that. So what I have changed so far, it's I've deleted the post, I've deleted the page that were existing, and set the names of this kind of stuff. So if I refresh, you might see the name here. That is Biashara. I can call it Biashara online, actually. biashara online biashara online. Want to see how it's going to look like. So biashara online, and we refresh. So yeah, like that. That is enough. That's good. Now I don't want to waste time with that one. Now after setting that basic stuff, I will add a theme. So to add a theme, you normally go to appearance, then you add a theme. I have a theme which I downloaded because sometimes you have to buy these themes. I have a theme somewhere here. So this is the theme M shop that I'm going to use. I've put some resources that I might end up using here, like the plugins and all those kind of stuff that I may need. So I have got this plugin for the theme, and I have got the one for the Mpesa. So just click on add new theme, that is add new theme. I went to the theme, then themes, that is appearance theme, then add new, upload a new theme, browse, and when I browse the theme, I'm going to get them from this one, M shop, then open like that. Then I will click install to install the theme. And once I install the theme, it's supposed to tell me installed successfully. I am supposed to activate, as you can see, unpacking, packaging, installing, installed successful. Then I will activate, and once I activate, I will refresh this one, and it's supposed to have a new look. And let's wait and see. Yeah, boom, that is it. So we are good to go up to that point. You might change also this kind of stuff, but that one is not necessary. I might not cover it for today, but if I get time, I'll do that. So now we have got the theme. The next thing is now to install the plugins that I need. First of all, I will install the first plugin which I'm interested, which is the Woocommerce. Like that, you just search for the Woocommerce. Sorry, it's supposed to be hard new there, and then I come here and search Woocommerce like that. Then I press enter, search. This is it. I now go right away and install this plugin. I'm clicking the installing. It's now installing the plugin. Yeah. And once the plugin of Woocommerce is installed, the next thing is to do some setting here and there. Then first of all, I need to activate it, and once I activate it, I'm supposed to see it here, but generally it normally pops up some other issues here which you can enter and all that. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give just some numbers here, fake numbers, just country. I'm going to say it's Kenya. It's Kenya. I will say Kenya. My home county is Machakos. Actually, I'm from Machakos. So Nairobi is the city. I can say something like that. It's not that much important, but yeah, just something like that. You can say you are setting for client if you might need that, but that is not necessary. I'm just doing it for the purpose of you can make your own settings the way you want. And then in this case, I will say I'm doing something to do with fashion and whatever, but you can choose any other, or even education, like if you need to download resources and those are. Then this one I will continue, and after that, do you want to display products? Yes, I will display 1 to 10 products. Then I'm not selling anywhere else. Then I will continue. Then in this case, you can see this one is asking me what recommended business feature. Do I have any recommended feature and all that? Not a customer mail, cheap, and these are some free stuff. I might need them, but it's not necessary for now. Let me just click continue. You can leave it the way it is. Just this part is where creating your company or your Woocommerce basic information, the names and all those kind of stuff. Not the names, but the kind of business that you normally deal with. So after that, we are supposed to add the product. We will add a new product after doing all this one. But before I add a new product, first of all, I'd like to check what I have on the pages. Again, I will have to check what else do I need. I will have to create a menu so that I can be in a position to see the menu here. So if I refresh here, you see nothing has changed too much. You can see there is these categories, but menu is here. Then menu, we have got the cart, we have got the shop. I can add all those kind of stuff. It might, yeah, those things like that one. So in this case, is it finished? I think it's over. Continue with the activated theme. You normally click there, but you can use any other kind of theme that you might want to. But most of the themes for e-commerce are normally sold, so in that case it's up to you to decide. This one that I am using, it's called Shop, and it's free. You can download it from, there is a link, I will share it on the description, where you can download various themes which you can use to make the appearance of your Woocommerce or e-commerce to be one of the best. So it's completing that part of creating the business or the Woocommerce, the e-commerce. As you can see here, there are some information which needed here. What does it need here? Biashara, your account will be start, features, blah blah blah, and all that. Continue without user. I can continue without user. There is no need for that for now. Then where do I get now? It has moved me to other issues which are not important for now. So go back, and when I go back, I want to get the main sorry, not this one. I want to get to the main the things to do with jetpack and all those kind of stuff. I want to go to the main page and check what I have now. Again, I'll go back a little bit. It's taking too long, which I don't need. Right now I can just press like that. Here, and I have got my Woocommerce here. Can go to settings here, and when I get to the settings, you will see there is that option of the information that we've entered. So this is another way. You just come here, Woocommerce, after installing, you click there and go to settings. You set all the things that you need here. So now the next thing I would need to do is product, to add product. Before I add product, I want to show you the pages that have been created now after installing the Woocommerce. As you can see here, I've said the menu, we have got the cart, we have got the checkout, we have got my account, we have got the shop. I can create a menu and rearrange all these kind of stuff. You can see the cart, it's here, and we don't have any item here, so we need to add items so that they can be visible. So in that case, these are the pages. On the post, there is nothing like a post which is going to be created. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to create menu, and menu, just get to the appearance, then click menus, and I'm going to create a new menu. And there is another way you can create menu. You can hold you place your cursor here, then view sites, and there is option for customize whatever, how that. So this one, I'm going to call it main menu, like this. Then in this case, I will create main menu. I can take this one. I can pick this kind of stuff. Then it's supposed to be creating menu. I can add these pages to the menu. Add to menu, and once I add to menu, they are supposed to appear here, and I can reorganize them like this. Put that one there, followed by now the cart. It's the cart, then checkout, then my account here. So like that, I've just rearranged them. So if I come here and refresh, I'm supposed to see the shop, then yeah, something like this. Sorry, it has not arranged how I wanted it to look like. Did I save? No, save menu. Save menu. I think I've saved. Then that is not necessary to waste a lot of time doing all those kind of stuff. It's not important for now. Now we know that we have got the menu. The next thing that we can do is to now create what? I'm going to do what now? To Woocommerce. Where is it? Here. Then get to the settings, and on settings I'm going to add a new product, and products I'm going to use some images which I have here. So in that case, you click on the products, you have to see an option to add a new product. So to add a new product, you can see okay, these are the settings that you need to have, and it's just the setting for what, this one. Did I forget something? I forgot where we normally had products. So on the products, there is this one. Thank you for installing inventory, downloadable products. Let me go to the pages first. No, I have to go to the pages. There is something that I kind of am forgetting. Order, home, my account, my shop. If I go to my shopping, I'm not going to add the items. So home, if I get to home, it's supposed to take me to this one. This one, do I have to? Let's go add new products. Yes, exactly. So to add new products, I click there. Add manually, you normally click there. So to add a new product, just get to the Woocommerce home, then add new. I'm going to add manually. You can add a CSV file, you can add different ways, but I'm going to do it manually, where I'm going to set some stuff. So I click add manually, it's loading here. Then it's going to give me the option to say I have got maybe Adidas, maybe is it Adidas? I can call them sport shoes. And these sport shoes can have some information. I can say sport shoe. Sport shoe. I need some information to put there in the sport shoes. Let's do sport shoes. Sorry. I need, yeah, I need just a small paragraph which I can put. Copy this one and go back to this, then paste this content here. It's kind of a description of what sport shoes is. And what else do I need? I now have that one. Contract. This was for the paragraph, blah blah blah. I'm supposed to add this one on the product description. Cut, scroll down. I would start with the price first. The price, I'm going to say the original price is 2 bob, and this will be 1 bob, but you can use any. There is a reason why I want to show you that one, because I would want to make some payment, and I will paste my description here, and I'll put the image here, the image for the sport shoes. There is a way you can add the image. There was a way that I was adding from here, but that is not a problem. Let me just do it from here. Add media, upload file, select, then I'll say this is the shoe, then open. Then once I open, you can see it's uploading. I will insert into product. I'll select another one. Maybe select these two. Open. I'll select another one. Select. I'll select these ones. Open. So this is the shoe that I'm going to select and insert. It's supposed to get here. Then yeah, we have that one. Now we can publish. I don't think, but what is the problem? Yeah, it's now okay. So I can publish like that. So I've created one of the products that I'm selling. So after publishing, congrats on adding your first product. Continue to set up. Do I need any setup, any other further setup? Let me check. But this one now I can refresh to see whether I have a first product. Menu, and then shop, and inside the shop I have got a shoe. I'm supposed to see a shoe here, which is one bob. So what is happening? This image is not visible. Why? Maybe I added the image on the wrong place. Let's go add products manually, and think this one, let's do it again. Let me click quick view, or maybe what? You can see this one. That's how it looks like. So the image has not entered very well. I need to insert the image very well, but I can add a new one. I can say football shoes, maybe something like that. And in this case, where is the image supposed to be? Let me first of all paste I will add it here and see how it looks like, whether it's going to be media. Then select this one, I insert, and once I insert, I'm going to put the description there down, and then on the price I'm going to say this one is 3 bob, and still I'm going to sell it at 1 bob. I want to see how it looks like, whether I did a mistake on adding the image here. So this one, then we will check whether we can edit the image. We will check whether we can edit the image. That one is done. So let me refresh this one to see products. If I refresh, it's supposed to show me 2 products, because I think I've published. Yeah, that shoe is published. So let me see after this one has been published how it's going to look like. Can go back to products. I want to see whether it's possible to add a new all products. I can go to all products to edit the products that I have. So still that image is not showing, but if I click here, this one is supposed to show even the image here. You can see the image is down here. So this image is somewhere else. I can check. I want to check that one. So uncategorized football shoes. Let me say I want to edit this one. I'll click on edit. Because I want them to display the images here instead of so it's supposed to be either through this one, this panel. So this one I can select and delete, and here product tag, sidebar, product image, select product image. So it's supposed to be there. Then I select insert the product, and I'm supposed to update this one. Sorry, but now still you have learned about the updating of the product image. I can check again all products, and all products I'm supposed to see the other products. So if I refresh these ones on the products, I'm supposed to all products. I want to see all the products. Again, this one I'm going to edit so that I can have This one is loading. Go back to where? Go back there, then go back again to there, and then I will say I need to go to shop, and shop it's supposed to show the image like that. Yes. So the other one, I wanted to see all the products and edit the other product, that is all products, like that. When I see the all products, I'm supposed to edit this one. So edit, oh sorry, actually I clicked edited, I edited, and after editing I forgot to just change the image. So I'm not being that fast, but I hope you are catching up. This one is to select like that. You scroll down, select set image. For this image I'm going to delete, because right now I have a new image. So in this case I will select image, and I will use which one? I will use the white one. I will use the white one. No, media libraries. I think I have got some images there. This one. Sorry, there is something which went wrong. I don't know what is the problem. It's supposed to be edit, select image. When you select image, I choose the image because I have uploaded the 3 images. So set image, this one. Set image. If I click set image, I'm supposed to see my media and get that option to okay, from URL, from media library. Let me just get to the media library. Media library, what is happening? I'm not understanding this one, but yeah, insert into, no, what do I need? From URL, from my computer. Let me just get it right away from my computer. Select. I want to get the image again. And see. Image 15. Insert into the posts. Save. There is something there. I'm not getting it. Why it is displaying something like that? Why it is displaying that one? Let me go back. This is one of the stuff that you will never ever get them anywhere else. The skills that you might never ever get even from someone. Yeah, so you should be happy. You are getting them here from this channel called Codestar. So this image is the one that I want to edit. This image is the one that I want to edit. But let's not waste time with this one if it is not working. So what do we have? We have got this one, we have got this shoe. This shoe, I'm going to delete it, and then when I delete it, I'm supposed to select image. Yeah, like that. Actually that's how I wanted it to pick. Then yeah, exactly. So you have to learn to be patient with things. So now that one is okay. So if I refresh here, you can see all the 2 items have been added, and I can add even a 3rd item. Like for example, if I had a new product like that way, I can say I need a shoe. So I will add a new one, then so that we can have 3 items here. Then on top of that, we will we are going to now install the plugin for Lipa na Mpesa so that you can understand. The plugin, I have added all the required information which I need. So first of all, you need to go to developers, Safaricom developers. Let me write developers.safaricom/ then create an account if you don't have an account. This was adding a new product, so this one, best sport shoe, let me just say it like that, shoe. And in this case, this best sport shoe, I don't know whether I have got, yes, I have it. Select the image. The image, I'm going to add a new one. I'm adding a new image, so don't worry. Select the image, then in this case I'm going to use which image. Let me use this pink. Maybe we have got some ladies in the house and they might need to support this channel, so pink being here, they will enjoy the video. So now I have published these ones. I was just trying to check the developer's photo. It's not loading. Sometimes it normally fails to load on my machine. I don't know whether it's machine or what, but you normally get to the developers.safaricom.co.ke, create an account. Once you create an account, you create an application. Once you create an application, you'll get the test credentials. Already that one I've done, where the test credentials is consumer secret and consumer key, and there is the pay bill or maybe the till number that you normally use, and something we call passkey. Those are some of the things that you normally get. If you get stuck, feel free to contact me and I'm going to help you on that. So that one, I think I've created that item, so I can come here, refresh, and now the next thing that we're going, yes, the shoes are here right now. So this is it, our Woocommerce is working. So if I click like that, I just see the product image. You can see how it looks like, and we have got some other images which are here. I think these are for the other whatever. So you can see the review of the items and all those kind of stuff. Yeah, so if you need to add this one on the shopping cart, you just click the option to add it to the shopping cart. So let me go back to menu, shop, and you'll see that icon, this icon for shop. So if I need this one, I'll click this one and add. But now I cannot make any payment. First of all, I need to upload the plugin for the Lipa na Mpesa. So what I'm going to do is to click on the plugins and upload the plugin for the Lipa na Mpesa. Most of these plugins for Lipa na Mpesa, you normally purchase them unless you get one and kind of make some changes. So what we do, let me go to we have got add new, and in this case I'm going to upload. So I click upload, browse, and once I browse, I pick this plugin. Once you pick the plugin, you install the plugin for the Lipa na Mpesa, and once you install, you just activate the plugin. That's how you normally do with this kind of stuff. You play out with the plugins. Sorry, which one? Thank you for installing Mshop. Did I pick Mshop or what? Sorry. It's supposed to be. I think okay. Good to go. Yeah. So here to get to the configuration. When you click on configuration, so that's where you normally set up your stuff. Sandbox is where you normally use to test. This is the pay bill number or the business number for that is till number for the Safaricom that we normally use on the developers portal to test. So that's why you can see I've provided these values. So that one, there is the consumer key, there's consumer secret, there is passkey, and yeah, those are the only things you need to set. So the same way, if you need to deploy it live, what happens is that if you need to deploy it live, what happens is that you just and apply for a pay bill number or a till number. Then once you apply, make sure you have linked it with your bank account. Then proceed, apply for online integration, which they are supposed to create a G2 account for you, that is Mpesa G2 account. Login, activate your G2 account, then you'll get these credentials for the pay bill number. Already that one you have. So what you just need is the pass key, the consumer key, and the consumer secrets you change for the ones which are for the live, and for here it's where you normally set to live. So these ones are correct. I don't have to change anything unless I need to check the errors and all those kind of stuff. I can click there. No, this one is not for errors, it's something different. So debug actually is this one. Then I save so that I can see any error that might arise. So that one is okay right now. The next thing that I need is to refresh this one, and my payment is now ready to work. So what I need is to purchase one shoe here, and you're supposed to feel to hear an SMS of Mpesa pop-up because I'm using STK push. So I had to click that one item. So once you click the item, you can view the cart. Then when you view the cart, you can see how many you can add, 1 or 4. You just need 1. Then you can update the cart. You can add something we call coupons code. We have got proceed to checkout, and proceed to checkout. Here I will put some details here. I'll say, you know, this guy is called Rico Banks. Rico Banks, like that, and the last name is Codestar. Company name is Codestar Technologies. Then we have got the region is Kenyan. Street address, maybe I can put some numbers here which are not correct. Town, Yokus, or wherever you are, there's no problem. Zip code, I don't know. The phone is the one that I'm going to choose. You have to start with 254-0700. That is my phone number. The email is that one. Then yeah, the rest is okay. Now you can see this one is now active. So what you just need to do is to click place order. To place the order. You can send emails and all those kind of stuff. So when I click this one, it's supposed to pop up to ask me to make the payment. So I click on the place order, like place the order. Then that is a message of asking me to do the transaction, to enter the PIN, as you can see there. So if I enter the PIN to pay that amount, it's supposed to go to that till number. So you can see it's now telling me what, now that one has been paid. That is the message for the feedback. So what do I need to do? I need to click on the menu, then my account, and once you get to my account, I can check the orders. If I check the order, I'm supposed to see an order here. So view the order, and when I view the order, I'm supposed to see the transaction, like that one, order again, and all those kind of stuff. So there is nothing like maybe I can check whether it is paid on the Woocommerce. Now as an admin, you normally get to Woocommerce, then you check the orders, because now the order, it is supposed to show that the customer has ordered this one and has purchased. You can see it's completed, meaning that full payment received from this receipt and all those kind of stuff. I think you can see that one. So you can check the order. You just need to click like that, and you're supposed to see the order of this guy. So you can see the guy has ordered what, order. You can see the shipping, then the order is this shoe, one shoe, then that the money they have paid. So I would like to do another one, and in this case now I'm not going to make payments, I'm going to cancel it, at least to see what happens if you cancel the order. So click that way, go back to, how do we call it, view cart. I'm going to check out direct. I'm not going to waste a lot of time on that. Then this one, you can see it's correct. I don't have to feed all that information. Check out. Then on my case, let's the message pop up, that one, and I will not enter my pin. I'm going to cancel. So I've cancelled the transaction. As you can see, this is the debug mode that I was talking about. So what happens if I come back here and check the orders? I'm supposed to see that order, but it's supposed not to be complete because I've not made any payments. You can see it's on hold because what? When it's on hold, Mpesa error. This one is the user cancelled the transaction. So I did not accept to do any transactions. So that is how it works, and I hope you have learned something. It is one of the amazing videos. I don't know whether in Kenya there's anyone who has ever done this kind of video. So give it thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share to as many people as you can, and continue supporting us. So if you might need to cover these kind of courses, feel free to do so. So thank you guys, and see you on the next video, where I'm going to talk about something to do with the Arduino starter kit. We are going to do some project to do with Arduino and all those kind of stuff. That is Arduino. They are Arduino sensors. You normally know those kind of sensors and how they are used. And also there is a video on just creating a CV online, just a professional CV, which is coming very soon. So between those two videos, you are going to expect that. Give the video thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and share the link to as many people as you can. I do appreciate for your support, and I hope you have learned something. So this one has created the database and everything. So I hope you have learned whatever you are supposed to learn on this session. Thank you, and see you on the next